Are you getting your Thanksgiving menu together? I have got a great side dish recipe for you. It's an oldie, but a goodie. Let's get started. Today's video is part of the monthly cookbook collaboration. I love this collab that we do monthly. It's hosted by Tamara from Southern Wife Everyday Life. She has an amazing channel, so if you have not checked her out yet, you really should. There's a little bit of something for everyone on her channel. She does lots of what's for dinner videos, grocery hauls. She's moved into prepping. She's moved into canning and preserving vegetables. Like I said, there's a little bit of everything. She also, I almost forgot, one of the most important things, she's also got tons of great tips on budget grocery shopping. So don't forget, check out Tamara at Southern Wife Everyday Life. I will have her channel listed below in my description box. So back to the cookbook. Today I'm using this old cookbook that came from my mother-in-law. It looks like it was a church book, cookbook or a family cookbook. It's called The Old, The Odd, and The Unusual, Baking and Canning by the Pointer Family and Friends. So we are going to be making a sweet potato casserole. It's nothing new, it's nothing original, but it's good, it's easy, and it will work out great with your Thanksgiving dinner. It's sweet and savory both, so it could be a side or it could even be a dessert.
What you're gonna need salt, eggs, butter, vanilla, sweet potatoes, pecans, brown sugar, flour, and regular sugar. To start our sweet potato casserole, what we're gonna do is we took the large can of sweet potatoes and we drained those and put them in our bowl. My husband is going to mash them up with a fork. He's gonna work on that. Next, we're gonna add in 2 eggs. Three-fourths a cup of sugar. Half a stick of melted butter. I'm sorry, not melted, but room temperature butter. We're gonna add in some vanilla. And a little bit of salt. I'll do it the other hand here so y'all can see.
If this is your first time at Melinda's Messy Sink, just wanted to take a second to welcome you to my channel and thank you so much for being here. There is lots of food content on this channel, so if you're looking for what's for dinner ideas, if you're looking for recipes, grocery hauls, meal plans, holiday cooking, or just everyday recipes, you are in the right spot. One of my favorite things that I like to do is spend the day in my kitchen videos where you see what I'm making all day long. So if you like this type of content, would love to have you join my YouTube family. Again, thank you so much for stopping by and watching today.
We have a aluminum pan and I have sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray. My husband is going to put it in the aluminum pan. We are going to start working on the topping to our sweet potato casserole. We have 1 cup of chopped pecans. We're gonna add in brown sugar, flour, and melted butter. All right, next up, we're gonna add the topping to the sweet potato casserole. And and this is real rustic. Like, you don't want this all smooth and
Got it?
I got it, yep. You don't want this like all smooth and perfect. Like, you want it a little bit all over the place. You know what I mean? This is gonna get covered with aluminum foil and it's gonna go into the refrigerator until tomorrow. Here is our sweet potato casserole. It just came out of the oven. The top is caramelized. Remember, it could be a side dish or it can be dessert. It is delicious.
All right, guys, that is how easy that casserole is to put together. My family loves it. Any holiday meal that we have, they always ask for the sweet potato casserole. So it's a good one. I will have the entire recipe listed in the description box. It came out of this church cookbook that I talked about earlier, so there's no patent on it. I can go ahead and give you the full recipe. Ava's saying hello. I don't know if you can see him back there drinking water. But a couple reminders before we go. Just wanted to tell you, thank you so much for following along in today's video. Don't forget to check out our hosts, Tamra at Southern Wife Everyday Lives channel, as well as the playlist. So many people have come together to bring you cookbook recipes, and I know that you will be excited to give them a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, Jesus loves you.